Welcome back to Living Large Camping. After a week in New Hampshire enjoying the fall colors, we head towards Stowe, Vermont. We reserved a campsite near town so we can enjoy restaurants, try ciders, and soak up the blue skies on these fall days. Let us know your favorite fall towns and hope you enjoy.
Trying to show me my way. The only point I reach is frustration. And then back again, trying to see why I had to lie. Go on the move with your heart. And then back again.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Living Large Camping. We just pulled into our home for the next 2 nights. We are just outside of Stowe, Vermont, and we are so excited to explore this town and see this area of the country.
Yeah, today is super freezing, so you can see I'm in my puffy, but tomorrow's supposed to be beautiful. So We're excited.
It's been raining on us for about the last week, and tomorrow is supposed to be sunshine all day. So we're gonna get out, go see the mountain, and just explore everything this area has to offer.
Truth, so you can blame it on my youth.
Since we're already staying at a campground that has facilities on site, we figured we might as well go ahead and do the mostly full load of laundry that we have because it's convenient.
To go back again, give it one more chance. Blame it. One day I will see what it cost me. You're the only one that always trusted me. That's all I need, my remedy.
Halfway done.
Thanks for doing the laundry.
And laundry is done.
I just want you to find me into the sky of all the never
Still cold.
dreaming of love soon.
Cheers.
Now that we're all showered and clean, it's time to start making some dinner. We've got potatoes, squash, carrots, and then we have some pork chops for the main course.
I don't mind staying up all night, 'cause I came to get it right, and I won't leave without a fight, out in the dark. Nobody came to my rescue, I won't come to rescue you.
It takes the whole body.
Perfect. Cheers to a warm, home-cooked meal.
Cheers to that.
Time for a little card game tonight, but before that, we have to make the bed with the clean laundry.
Yay! It's gonna be so nice.
Just wait, 'cause I
Nice tuck.
One more sheet.
Happy fall.
Happy fall. I'm the loser.
Good game.
Good game.
I finally won. Ready to go to bed? Good night, guys. We made it to Stowe, Vermont. We parked in the village center over here. The sun is out and we are excited to explore this area.
Yeah, super excited. We're gonna go around Mountain Village, the town, and then maybe check out a local cider mill.
Sounds like a great day. Let's go check it out.
I swear I didn't mean to give away my power on the balcony, and it's getting cold. Can someone, anyone hold me? I swear I drank to have fun, not to forget. But halfway in, I noticed it was just an outlet. Anyone so alone? Just a secret to this life. I struggle to do right.
So we got a couple flights of cider to try at Stowe Cider Company, and then we're gonna head back later after a little bit of relaxing time here.
We haven't seen sun in days.
Feels like everyone is brainwashed. I would give anything
Made it back to camp.
Made it back to camp.
Now time to enjoy the sun before it disappears again.
as I
We'll miss it.
could all different
Pouring out.
lost in you.
So now it's time to make a little bit of dinner here. We're gonna do an Asian stir fry using the pork left over from last night with rice noodles, a sweet chili sauce, and some vegetables.
Goes round and round in circles, but
Great day in Stowe, and now it's time for a nice, yummy, warm meal in the camper.
It's delicious.
So we were talking about this town and everything, and neither Amelia or I had any idea what Stowe was like or anything about Vermont. I think it's a very cute and smaller ski town. Probably has a lot of tourists from like local states around here, but not quite the draw and everything that western towns like Colorado ski towns and the western states have. If you're from this area and you like skiing here and you like this area, you know, please let us know, because I'm definitely interested to see what the locals think, and overall just loving it so far.
I'll second that. I mean, I will say that the town was really cute, and I felt like we did stuff that the locals do, which was really cool, other than tourist attractions. So that's something what I really loved about this town, and it's beautiful in the fall time. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below.
We have another morning of sunshine.
Yay! Go enjoy it outside.
something good to finally happen. And though your mind is far away,
Good morning, everybody. It is time to make a little bit of breakfast here. We're gonna hang out. We have to check out at noon at this spot, and then we're moving to Grand Isle, Vermont. There's a state park there. We called the guy yesterday and he said the place is almost empty, so we're excited to go stay there for a little bit. But for now, breakfast time.
You are safe when I'm a mess, but I am calm in stormy weather. Maybe you just need to love me less.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we explored Stowe, Vermont. The state is beautiful, the town is awesome, and I would absolutely recommend coming back here.
Oh yeah, it was really cute and quaint, not too touristy, and the fall colors are coming out, so we love it.
It's only going to get prettier, but we are headed to Grand Isle, Vermont right now to spend a couple nights there. It's going to be very rainy, but the area looks beautiful. So can't wait to show you what that's like over there. And thank you all for watching these videos.
Thanks guys, hope you guys enjoy, and again, if you guys could subscribe, we would love it.
We hit 4,500 subscribers today, which is awesome.
Woo!
And just can't wait to continue sharing this life with y'all.
Yeah, we love it. Thanks for watching.
Hope you have a large day.
But I